Welcome to Legal Lessons with Haley. Today, let's talk about the Federal Trade Commission and disclosing ads on social media. As an aside, this is not legal advice and I am not your lawyer. Also, I live and practice in Ohio, so check your local rules because they might be different. So what is the FTC? It's an independent U.S. government agency that helps protect consumers and promote competition. It sets out regulations for advertising and marketing that everybody has to follow, including influencers. So at the most basic level, a claim in an advertisement has to be truthful, it cannot be deceptive or unfair, and it must be evidence-based. By the way, the FTC has actually put out a specific brochure for influencers for disclosing ads on social media, and I'm gonna put that link in the comments. So these are the things that you must do if you're working with brands, getting free product, or getting paid for your thoughts on social media. The first thing is you have to disclose it. You have to disclose that it's an ad, that you got the product for free, that the brand is paying you for your video. Whatever the case may be, you have to disclose it. Now, TikTok and Instagram and YouTube all make it pretty easy because you can toggle a button that says disclose this as an ad. Now, I will say the FTC says that could not be enough and that you should make your own disclosure, whether it's saying, thanks for the free product, so-and-so, or, hashtag ad or hashtag sponsored, something of that nature. So keep in mind that just because you're just like the app itself is disclosing it, you might also want to include your own disclosure. Also keep in mind that it's your responsibility, not the brand's, to disclose that it's an ad. When do you have to disclose? Anytime that you have any financial, employment, personal, or family relationship with a brand. So if you're getting paid for your review, if you're getting free product, and that includes on the TikTok shop, all those free samples, or if you are making disclosures about a brand that you're partnered with, even if you weren't asked specifically to make a claim about that product. So for me, I'm a Thayer's ambassador. If I make a claim about a Thayer's product, even though I wasn't specifically asked to or sent that product, I still have to disclose that I'm a Thayer's ambassador. On the flip side, if you're just posting videos about product reviews like I do and you have no ties to that brand, you don't have to say that you don't have a relationship. It's only if you do. The other thing is, and I see big influencers doing this all the time, you can't hide the fact that it's an ad at the very bottom of a bunch of hashtags underneath where it says, more, and then there's a bunch of hashtags, then it says ad really small at the bottom. No. Front and center, clear, absolutely, you can't hide it. I see this happen all the time, and how these people don't get caught is beyond me. Stop doing that. The other thing is you can't lie. Okay, so a couple things. One, you can't talk about a product and give your opinion on something that you've literally never tried. Period. You also can't lie and say, this is the best product I've ever tried in my entire life if you think it's terrible. You have to be honest. And the last thing is you can't make up claims about a product and say, this will cure your cancer, when that's not backed up by science and the brand can't prove that. So I also see a lot of people doing this, making claims like, this, especially when you're getting into the health and supplement side, this will cure, this will do this will do that. Will it? Are you sure? Because if you're not sure, don't say it. I know this was a long one, but this is such an issue all over social media, and not even just this platform, but all of them. So I hope that helps.